A business that excels in customer service has always had an advantage over its rivals. Tech assistance has become more important in the service industry as the workforce becomes digital. Many businesses nowadays are seeking independent individuals to fill gaps in their technical staffing teams since they need more than just a typical help desk. Though they could excel at providing remote customer service, some people nevertheless have reservations about becoming freelance. To help you get your foot in the door of the freelance tech support industry, this article presents a basic and easy strategy. How does one enter the field of technical assistance? If you have the ability to diagnose and solve problems successfully, a bachelor's degree is typically not necessary for entry-level technical support roles. While some businesses want a 4-year degree in computer science or IT to even consider hiring you, many others are content to employ based on your shown aptitude for the role. A variety of IT credentials might also set you apart when applying for a position on a tech team. Since the beginning of the COVID-19 epidemic, the position of the tech support professional has evolved significantly during the last decade. Many companies in the recent past have accelerated their digital transformation due to the advent of new technologies. These days, it's not uncommon to be responsible for everything from fixing software bugs to training a distributed workforce. Technical support specialists need strong interpersonal skills, therefore experience in disciplines such as teaching or customer service might be beneficial. What abilities does a technical support professional need to have? A good tech support person, beyond being kind and patient, has to have extensive knowledge of computer hardware and software. Knowing how networks are managed and extended, keeping on top of the ever-rapid changes occurring in IT and networking, and being able to diagnose and update existing systems are crucial for success in this profession. You will need to be comfortable working alone and have a sharp eye for quality awareness, since most of the work carried out by IT professionals occurs autonomously and demands acute attention to detail. Since technical support may be relied on by more than one division, it is essential that teams learn to strike a good balance between meeting deadlines and providing excellent service to customers. Therefore, it is essential that a technical support professional be able to keep their cool under duress. Learn the ins and outs of the freelance IT support industry so you can get your first gig. You may feel overwhelmed by the prospect of finding your first freelance tech support job. There are, however, measures you may do that might simplify matters. Focus on the advice below to wade through any uncertainty about getting started. 1. Hone your technical abilities. In order to set up and manage a remote IT infrastructure, you will have to interact with the computers and software that make up that infrastructure on a regular basis. Technical support reps are generally generalists, which means you need to know the essentials about a broad variety of products and technologies rather than having mastery over just one. Your previous employment may have relied heavily on a local area network LAN to handle reporting and ticketing, but your prospective employer may prefer a virtual private network VPN instead. Knowing as many sorts of networks as possible may enhance your chances of winning the contract and performing well. 2. Draw attention to oneself. There are likely to be a lot of people applying for the same jobs that you are, so you'll need to come up with innovative strategies to be interviewed and hired by the firms that interest you. Take on trial projects and internships. Make use of the people you know in your field to find companies that might use your expertise. Have a portfolio of your work available or offer to host a remote workshop for existing team members. It might also be useful to make use of remote talent sites, which showcase freelance tech talent and give materials on recruiting procedures.